Hey guys and gals, I'm Bogi. I am a master technician and the owner of 180 Degrees Automotive and one of the hosts of the TV show All Girls Garage. So, oil service intervals. How often do you actually need to change your oil? I get asked this question all the time because there's a lot of misinformation out there. Some people still stand by the old rule of every 3,000 miles or every 3 months. Some manufacturers are saying 5,000, some are saying 10,000, and there are some out there that are even saying you can go 15,000 miles before you change your oil. So what do? Well, on the one hand, I would say follow what your manufacturer recommends because generally they know best. However, when it comes to oil service intervals, I kind of have to disagree. I kind of feel like too much preventative maintenance is always better than too little preventative maintenance. And oil is the lifeblood of your car. It's what keeps it clean, it's what keeps it cool, it's what keeps that engine running as long as possible. And so I'd rather see you err on too frequently. The way I look at it, changing your oil is kind of like brushing your teeth. Can you get away with only brushing your teeth once a week? Yeah, you can probably get away with it, but you're not going to keep your teeth or your friends. And changing your oil is kind of the same thing. You can get away with only doing it 10, 15,000 miles, but why risk it when the risk is losing your engine, and that's like a $6,000 to $10,000 repair versus doing an extra oil change here and there, which is relatively inexpensive in the grand scheme of things. So I always recommend kind of splitting the manufacturer recommended interval in half, especially on those Euro cars that say you can go 10 or 15,000 miles. 5 to 7,500 miles is really all I want to see you going on an oil service, just to be on the safe side. You can never be too careful, and too much preventative maintenance is never a bad thing.